In this video, I'll show you how to uninstall applications in Windows 11. This is the easiest way to remove apps. First, click on the Start menu and select Settings. You can also press the Windows key plus I on your keyboard to open it quickly. In the Settings window, look at the sidebar on the left and click Apps. Then click Selected Apps. Here you'll see a full list of all the apps and programs installed on your computer. Now, scroll to the list or use the search bar at the top to find the app you want to remove. In my case, I searched DaVinci Resolve. Once you find it, click the three dots next to the app name and click Uninstall. A confirmation box will pop up, just click Uninstall again. To check if the app is uninstalled, I tried searching it up again and it's now gone, so it's completely uninstalled. For some applications, especially larger programs, you might see an uninstaller window. For this one, we will uninstall the game called It Takes Two. Since the application was installed using Steam, it will be processed in the said app. And as you can see, it is now uninstalling. And that's it, the app is now removed from my computer. Repeat the same steps if you want to uninstall more applications. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.